Are you tired of living with the discomfort and limitations caused by arthritis? Unlocking the potential to alleviate your symptoms may lie in the choices you make at mealtimes. As the saying goes, you are what you eat, and this rings true for individuals with arthritis. By understanding which foods to avoid, you can take control of your diet and proactively manage your condition. In this video, we unveil 8 foods that should be removed from your plate to pave the way for improved joint health and reduced inflammation. It's time to empower yourself with the knowledge needed to make informed dietary choices and take a step towards a brighter, pain-free future. Processed and fried foods. Processed and fried foods are particularly problematic for individuals with arthritis due to their high content of trans fats and unhealthy oils. Trans fats, which are commonly found in fried foods and processed snacks like chips and cookies, have been linked to inflammation and can contribute to systemic inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, these foods are often high in calories and low in nutrients, which can lead to weight gain and put extra stress on the joints. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods and choosing healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming can help reduce inflammation and promote overall joint health. Sugar and sugary drinks. Sugar and sugary drinks should be limited or avoided by individuals with arthritis. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar can trigger inflammation in the body, which can worsen arthritis symptoms. Sugary drinks, such as soda and sweetened fruit juices, are particularly problematic as they not only contain high levels of added sugars but also lack nutritional value. Moreover, sugary foods and drinks can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing other health conditions, such as obesity and diabetes, which can further strain the joints. Opting for natural sweeteners like honey or consuming whole fruits in moderation can be healthier alternatives to satisfy a sweet tooth while minimizing inflammation. Additionally, staying hydrated with water or unsweetened beverages can support overall joint health and reduce the risk of additional health complications. Red meat. Red meat is a food that some individuals with arthritis find can worsen their symptoms. It contains high levels of saturated fats, which have been linked to inflammation in the body. Research suggests that excessive consumption of red meat may increase the risk of developing inflammatory conditions, including rheumatoid arthritis. Furthermore, red meat is also associated with higher levels of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are compounds that can promote inflammation and tissue damage. For those with arthritis, opting for leaner protein sources like fish, poultry, legumes, and plant-based proteins can provide essential nutrients without the potential negative impact on inflammation. Including a variety of these protein sources in your diet can support joint health and overall well-being. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and butter, are known to be problematic for some individuals with arthritis. While the relationship between dairy and arthritis is not fully understood and can vary from person to person, some people report increased joint pain and inflammation after consuming dairy products. Dairy contains a protein called casein, which some individuals may be sensitive to, leading to an immune response and subsequent inflammation. Additionally, dairy products can contribute to excess weight gain, which can put added strain on the joints. If you suspect that dairy is aggravating your arthritis symptoms, it may be worth trying a dairy-free or reduced dairy diet for a period of time to observe any changes in your symptoms. There are many non-dairy alternatives available, such as almond milk, soy milk, and dairy-free cheeses, which can provide alternative sources of calcium and other nutrients. Gluten. While the relationship between gluten and arthritis is not well established, some individuals with certain types of arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis, have reported improvements in their symptoms after eliminating gluten from their diets. Gluten is a protein found in grains like wheat, barley, and rye. For individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, consuming gluten can trigger an immune response and cause inflammation in the body. This inflammation can potentially worsen arthritis symptoms. However, it's important to note that the majority of people with arthritis do not have a gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption should be approached with caution for individuals with arthritis. Excessive alcohol intake can lead to increased inflammation and potentially worsen arthritis symptoms. Alcohol is metabolized by the liver, and excessive drinking can hinder the liver's ability to remove toxins from the body, leading to systemic inflammation. Moreover, alcohol can interact negatively with certain medications commonly used to manage arthritis, such as nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and disease-modifying antirheumatic drugs, MARDs, potentially reducing their effectiveness. Additionally, alcohol can contribute to weight gain, which can put additional stress on the joints. If you choose to consume alcohol, it is important to do so in moderation and be mindful of any potential adverse effects on your arthritis symptoms. High-sodium foods. High-sodium foods should be limited by individuals with arthritis due to their potential to contribute to joint swelling and discomfort. Excess sodium in the diet can lead to water retention, which can cause bloating and increased pressure on the joints, leading to inflammation and discomfort. Processed foods, such as canned soups, frozen meals, and packaged snacks, often contain high amounts of sodium as a preservative and flavor enhancer. It's important to read food labels and choose low-sodium or sodium-free alternatives whenever possible. Incorporating more fresh fruits and vegetables, which are naturally low in sodium, into your diet can help balance sodium intake while providing essential nutrients and antioxidants to support joint health. Cooking meals from scratch using herbs and spices instead of relying on salt can also help reduce overall sodium consumption and promote better arthritis management. Corn oil and vegetable oil. Corn oil and vegetable oil, specifically those high in omega-6 fatty acids, should be consumed in moderation or replaced with healthier alternatives by individuals with arthritis. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for the body, an imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids can contribute to inflammation. Many processed and fried foods are cooked in oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, such as corn oil, soybean oil, and sunflower oil. Consuming these oils in excess can promote inflammation and potentially worsen arthritis symptoms. Instead, it is recommended to opt for healthier fat options like olive oil, avocado oil, or flaxseed oil, which are higher in beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. These healthier fats can help reduce inflammation and support overall joint health. Additionally, incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, into your diet can help rebalance the omega-6 to omega-3 ratio and further promote joint health. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.